This is the 2022 Barletta Cabrio QC 22 Tri-Toon. Color is white and black with a brown interior. This boat has the blackout package, so all the rails are going to be blacked out. This is a Tri-Toon, and it also has pull-up cleats and docking lights in the front. This does have under seat lighting as well as cup holder lights. You do have your two-tone interior. You do have armrests in the seats and movable cup holders that do clip in the side right here. Down at the bottom down there you do have your dog bowls. You do have center floor storage, and you do have a courtesy light as well. Dual helm chairs on both sides. Two cup holders, a phone holder, and USB port. You do have a pull-up table here. You do have USB ports underneath all of the seats. You do have your doggy view doors, so all the doors on the sides you can see through. Power bimini top. You do have your Hertz audio in here. Here's a picture of your dash. Lowrance Hook 5 fish finder. Rocks all the toggle switches. This does have a 12-person capacity as well. Dual rear loungers were stored underneath the seats. You do have your removable table as well. Towards the back you do have your extended deck. 4-step deep reach ladder. You do have your ski tow and flagpole back here as well. This does have a 150 horse motor. This is the 2022 Barletta 22 QC Tri-Toon with a 150 Mercury.